Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back again. So yesterday we have seen the range here and it was broken, and we have seen there were multiple supports, all of that broken. When it crossed 40,000, I started selling weekly CE also, right? So we had PC spread and monthly already. On top of that, we had P weekly, but that has we have taken stop loss at 46. I have updated in the comment P weekly and started selling a CE after 43 is marked. So that's what I did, and this is the current position. So since whenever there is a downfall, VIX will increase, but whenever there is a reversal, VIX goes down and premiums also goes down. We'll take that advantage because we are selling from CE side. The market falls, VIX will go down, but still the premium will go down. Um, but there will be some increase in the premium also sometimes because of the increase in the VIX. Whereas when it is reversal, VIX goes down and premiums also goes down. We'll take the advantage that in the C. Whereas in the P side, that advantage will not be there. Whenever is the P, I mean market is falling, premiums goes high and we have our stop loss it's faster. Side, that's not the case, so we'll take that advantage. Maybe we can increase the quantity now because the chart says so there is a resistance. If it breaks this, we'll see take a decision of not selling weekly CE, and if it reverses, we'll increase the quantity here to 15. That's the plan. So once it start coming down, I'll starting selling extra from, and 155% of stop loss is somewhere around 130. If it touches 130, I'll take the stop loss and wait in the weekly spread. So if I unselect this, sorry, monthly spread, so we have this position in the monthly plus 6,000, so we don't have worry at all. And let's see what is our profit currently. Yesterday morning we had 70 plus, and now it is 94,000, close to 5%. And yeah, so we are at a good profit, nothing to worry. So yeah, so I think you are understanding my logic in different videos. So every day I'm giving a view what we can do with current situation. We have seen in the expiry day, we have seen in the big gap down, we have seen when it is a range, and so different market conditions we have seen. It's all learning, it's really good learning. The premium content and the strategy is high profit strategy, and I think this is very good opportunity for you guys to learn. So learn from these videos and start earning. Okay, take time. You don't have to earn from the day one. Take time and practice and then start earning. Okay, then yeah, I think that's all for today. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.